Imagine setting up a task once, closing your laptop, and coming back 3 days later to find it actually finished correctly. That's basically what's happening right now with a new feature called Goal. Live in both Codex and Claude Code. Instead of prompting step by step, you set one target, and the agent runs on its own until it hits it. Some people are letting these sessions go 14 hours overnight. One reported run lasted 5 full days straight. Quick bit of context first, Codex had this before Claude did. It dropped a couple weeks earlier and blew up on X because of these insane multi-hour runs people were posting. Anthropic clearly took notice and shipped their own version straight into Claude Code shortly after. Not a bad thing, honestly. More competition just means better tools land faster for the rest of us. Here's how you actually use it. You type /goal, and instead of writing a task, you write a finish line, what done actually looks like. I tested it small first, a Chrome extension for Slack-style emoji shortcuts. Type a colon and a word, get an emoji. My done condition was simple, loads with no manifest errors, shortcuts actually work. I fired it and stepped away completely. It ran the loop, checked its own progress against that condition, adjusted, checked again, until it matched. A few minutes later, it was done, and it genuinely worked when tested. What's happening behind the scenes is kind of neat too. After every turn, it quietly runs Haiku, Claude's smallest model, just to judge one thing: has the target been hit yet? If not, it loops right back in. The real practical use case, though, is token planning. If your weekly limit is about to reset and you've got unused tokens sitting there, you can front-load work you already know is coming. I turn my videos into newsletters weekly, so I gave Claude Code a full plan built off 4 recent videos and a custom skill, set the goal, and walked away. 8 minutes later, 4 finished HTML drafts were sitting there ready for review. Need 40 instead of 4, just tell it not to stop till the budget runs out. Then came the actual stress test, identical brief, Codex versus Claude Code. Build a single file Settlers of Catan clone, Game of Thrones themed, pixel art style, the 4 houses reskinned as the major AI labs, 1 player against 3 bots, no turn limit, just finish. Claude Code hit its goal in 13 minutes. Codex took 33, but it was also pulling in GPT image generation along the way, and it shows the board genuinely looks sharper. Claude Code's version came out plainer visually since there's no image model behind it, but the actual gameplay ran cleaner, dice rolls, resource collection, turn logic, all working without issues. So it's not really a clean win for either side. Codex takes it on visuals because of image generation, Claude Code takes it on how tightly the logic holds together. But zoom out from the comparison for a second, because the bigger point here is that both of these coding agents can now genuinely run themselves. You're not steering turn by turn anymore, you're just deciding where it needs to land.